morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Leaf Classes. I am Anjali. Today we begin our session 2 for the practice series and today's topic is elementary concepts of objects and classes. Children, from this topic around 2 to 4 marks questions are asked in exams. For today's topic the questions are given in the PDF. You can check the description box for the PDF link and download the PDF. In the first video of session 1, I told you to make a practice notebook where you will be attempting all the questions yourself, which will be given in the questions video. And when the solution video will be released, then you have to check those with the solutions given, and then wherever correction is required, you can do that correction. And like this, you will be preparing your practice notebook or revision notebook that will be very beneficial during your examination time. Many children have commented to give the solution in the PDF form. Children, when I discuss the solution, when I explain the solution here, then I tell more related things and different forms how the questions can be asked. So my advice is to watch the discussion video, that will be beneficial. Yes children, after doing the practice series of all the topics of section A, we will be starting practice series of section B also. Those who haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get notifications for all the videos and no important topic is missed by you. You can join us on our Telegram channel also. The link is given in the description box. Keep practicing, keep working hard, keep solving the questions. God bless you children.